Hello and welcome back to another video from La Cueva. Today we are going to cover the 10 key points you must know before buying your first watch. But before we dive in, a few announcements. First, a big thank you to our channel's members. Today's shirts out goes to Richard Biao, whose name is on the screen right now. We really appreciate your subscribing and supporting us. Also, thank you to Chonix for commenting on our recent videos. You have been super active and you rock. In other news, we are welcoming a new team member. You will start seeing more content from us more frequently. Let me introduce them friendly.
Hi, it's a pleasure to be part of this channel. I see you soon.
Thank you so much. Okay, now let's get right into the video. Point 1. Compatibility with your phone. Make sure the smartwatch is compatible with your device. Some cheap or foreign watches don't work with certain brands. For instance, they might not support iOS or certain Android models. Always check the compatibility before you buy. Point 2. Battery life. Battery runtime varies a lot. Some advanced watches last 1 or 2 weeks, while basic model might only last 6-8 hours. Meet your needs. Point 3. Screen type. AMOLED screen look amazing but drain more battery. LCD and e-ink screens are more power efficient and easier to see in sunlight. Decide what matters more for your use. Point 4. Needed features. Do you need a running watch or something casual for notification calls, music control? Pick a watch that check off the features you truly need. Point 5. Health and fitness tracking. Some watches only count steps and calories, while others tracks sleep, blood oxygen, SpO2, stress, heart rate, and even include GPS for phones-free runs. Check for fast heart rate access and other health features you will use. Point 6. Water resistance. Not all watches can get wet. Some are splash resistant, others are swim safe. Look for the IP rating and also ATM levels. For swimming, 5 ATM is ideal. Ensure it fits your water activities. Point 7. Materials and comfort. Is it comfortable for daily wear? Check if the band is changeable, like some models we show on our channel. Are materials durable? Comfort and durability matters if you will wear it every single day. Support and updates. Cheap $5 to $7 watches typically don't get software updates. Brands like Samsung or Apple issue regular improvements that matter if you want long-term support. Point 9. Apps and operating system. Want Spotify, WhatsApp, Google Maps, or contactless payment? Those features are usually available only in the higher end watches. Some even support ChatGPT apps, which is something awesome, right? Always verify what apps your watch supports. Price versus usefulness. More expensive isn't always better for your needs. A $40 watch might be perfect if it has the right features, but if you want reliability and full functionality, consider brands like Samsung, Xiaomi, or even Apple Watch. That's for today's video. I hope you find it helpful and that it gives you confidence when picking your first watch. If you enjoyed it or helps you, please leave a comment, share, and subscribe. You can also support us via channel member or super thanks. Those options are enabled. Thank you so much for the support. Take care and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.